Hi guys, and welcome to this hoop tutorial I'm calling Winging It. It's a 2-hoop combo including a roll and a elbow carry behind the back. The first thing you're going to need to be able to do is to roll the hoop from 2 hoops in one hand. You can do this with the index finger between the hoops, or you can do it with the 2 hoops between the thumb and the index finger. In either case, you're going to be releasing the hoop nearest to the front. In this case, that's the green hoop. So you're going to roll the hoop up, releasing the thumb, allowing the hoop to roll up the arm. You're going to bring your hand in, fingers pointed in and thumb down, catching the hoop above your head. If you've had the index finger in between the hoops at this point, you'll need to move the index finger to the outside of the hoop. From this point, you're going to do a small figure of 8-like motion behind the back to allow the hoop to land on the elbow. Shown from this angle, you can see that when you do the grab, fingers in, you need to turn your body away from the hoop so your flat of your back is against the hoop to allow that hoop to do that figure of 8 motion, but instead of going in front of you, you go behind and put the hoop on your elbow. From this angle, you can see quite how far out I poke my, in this case, right elbow out to allow the hoop to rest on it. Once you've placed that hoop onto the elbow, it frees up that left hand to come round to the front and grab the hoop, palm up at 12 o'clock. As you can see here, I place the hoop in the left hand onto the right elbow, then my left hand comes round and it grabs the hoop palm upwards at about 12 o'clock. It then does a quarter isolation down to 3 o'clock. The top hoop at this point does a small Z-spin, and the easiest thing to do is concentrate on ending in this both hoops thumbs up in front of you position. There are many options from this position, but in this case what we're going to do is we're going to do your thumbs down on the right hand, the outside hoop, and go straight into a 2-beat weave. Notice with this move that you will start facing one direction and you will end 180 degrees turned in the opposite direction. You can also start this move with 2 hoops in the left hand. In this case, you start with both hoops in the left hand, either with the index finger in between or not, and you roll the hoop at the front as before, catching with the thumb down and the fingers in. You then put your back to the hoop, allowing that hoop to rotate in a figure of 8 motion and land on the elbow. As you can see here, you roll, you turn your body to your back to the hoop, poke that elbow out, allowing that hoop to rest on that elbow. This frees up that right hand to come round to the front and grab palms up at 12 o'clock and do that mini isolation, which ends you in this thumbs up position in front of you, and you can do the outside hoop thumbs down to get into the standard figure of 8. So roll the front hoop, rotate that hoop around the back, resting it on the elbow, bring the other hand forwards, doing a Z-spin with the outside hoop and an isolation with the inside to end in a figure of 8. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You can also combine this move really easily with the turtle turns combo, which can be found as a tutorial on my Hoopy Mad YouTube. Have fun and see you soon. Bye!